LEACREE Strut Assembly. The installation process is simple and saves time. A strut assembly takes only 1/3 of the installation time compared to a bare strut. This simple solution can at least double your repair station efficiency. Replacing bare struts is complex. It requires accessories to be transferred from 6 different stores, wasting time. Once ready, the installation position of the different accessories needs to be matched and calibrated. Worse, the coil spring can jump out easily and injure someone. Replacing a bare strut requires a technician with at least 4 years' experience. But installing a LEACREE strut assembly is simple and safe. With all new accessories included, the LEACREE strut assembly is easy to purchase and install. In fact, a junior apprentice can easily replace a LEACREE strut assembly. This means de-skilling your repair station and improving your efficiency. The LEACREE strut assembly is an all-in-one solution.